The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
Back to regular vlog. Okay. This is good. You guys should go watch that video if it's out yet. New Instagram picture.
Oh, hell yeah.
Turn around so I can see both the logos.
Put that as my picture on my site.
Yes.
That clear container right there?
Which one? That one?
Mm-hmm.
This thing.
Enhanced mental focus? What kind of BS is that? An energy drink makes you focus?
Quick and thick!
I done dropped the quick and thick.
High performance energy plus enhanced mental focus.
Enhanced mental focus. High performance energy.
Schedule your consultation at familylawrepresentation.com.
You dropped pepperoni.
No!
5 second rule.
No, I'm not eating that
One.
garbage ground. I would not eat that. Like, I need it. Normal circumstances, sure, but Connor's garage? Wow. Yeah, this is just, ugh. I mean, it's like good, but ugh. Oh, crazy.
You dropped the quick and thick.
Dignity and less loneliness. You can help change the future of one person in a single moment. Begin the change at unbound.org.
Hi, Don Collins here with Metcalf Auto Plaza. If you got credit problems and need buy-here, pay-here financing, all starting at just 99 cents down.
I guess Austin hasn't noticed I blocked him again.
No, you dissed the bait. You dissed the bait.
You guys should go get Bay Plays.
The faithful.
Are you sure we're even in the shot?
Just right here.
Alright, it's time for some Raz racing.
Oh yeah, have fun. Don't break it.
Yeah, look at this. There's a butt sitting on top of my helmet.
This is an MX3F. I think
See how long my recar is? Back.
Turn it up, bro.
Yeah.
Ignore you walking towards you. Put my head down, looking at the ground, I'm embarrassed for you.
How to get copyrighted 101.
He's a bat!